Massive global supply chain leaks and an accidental major retailer database slip have completely exposed the upcoming Fujifilm X-T6. This is not just a minor seasonal update. This is an absolute hybrid monster engineered to permanently shatter the boundary between aps-c and full-frame dominance. In this deep dive, we are breaking down the raw, authentic data that has emerged from the production lines, highlighting the massive structural upgrades that make this the most aggressive play in mirrorless history. If you are serious about your gear and want to make sure your next big investment does not become instantly obsolete, you will want to stay tuned through every single section of this video, because what we are uncovering completely changes the landscape for hybrid creators. Let us get straight into the massive revelation that has everyone talking. At the very core of this explosive update is a brand new, cutting-edge sensor technology that represents a massive evolutionary leap. The leaks officially confirm that the Fujifilm X-T6 will debut the 40-megapixel partially stacked X-Trans CMOS 6 HR BSI sensor, driven by the elite processing power of the new X-Processor 6 engine. For context, let us talk about why this architecture is a massive big deal. Standard sensors read out data sequentially, line by line, which creates that annoying jello effect, also known as rolling shutter, whenever you pan rapidly or track fast-moving subjects. A fully stacked sensor solves this by adding a dedicated memory layer directly beneath the pixels for near-instantaneous readout, but it drives production costs sky-high. Fujifilm is executing a brilliant chess move here by using a partially stacked design. By embedding DRAM layers strategically between the pixel array and the underlying logic layer, they are unlocking blistering fast readout speeds that virtually eliminate rolling shutter, allowing for incredibly fast burst shooting. Without the astronomical price tag of a traditional, fully stacked system, this technological breakthrough directly impacts the camera's resolution capabilities in a way that will make commercial and landscape photographers look twice. While the native resolution holds strong at a razor-sharp 40 megapixels for standard shooting, the internal processing power elevates the sensor's multi-shot capabilities to an unprecedented degree. The database leaks explicitly reveal an advanced 200-megapixel pixel shift multi-shot mode. By utilizing the ultra-precise in-body image stabilization system to shift the sensor by microscopic sub-pixel increments between consecutive frames, the X-T6 allows you to generate massive, hyper-detailed medium-format level files entirely in camera. Whether you are capturing immense architectural designs, fine art, or high-end commercial print work, this gives you massive full-frame crushing resolution in a compact, field-ready body. But where the X-T6 truly asserts its dominance and turns into an absolute nightmare for competing full-frame systems is in its video department. The internal documentation showcases a massive jump to internal 8K video recording at up to 30 frames per second in 10-bit 4.2.2 color. This is not heavily cropped or watered-down 8K either. It utilizes the full width of that advanced sensor. For those who want the absolute cleanest, crispest footage imaginable for 4K timelines, the camera leverages this massive resolution to deliver oversampled 4K HQ modes at higher frame rates, providing jaw-dropping clarity and eliminating moire entirely. For high-end cinematic workflows, the inclusion of F-Log2 provides more than 14 stops of dynamic range, giving colorists incredible flexibility in post-production. Furthermore, via the HDMI output, professional filmmakers can output pristine 12-bit ProRes RAW and Blackmagic RAW directly to external monitors. To ensure this processing powerhouse does not melt under pressure during intense production days, the supply chain data points toward an updated internal structural cooling system, mitigating the overheating issues that plague so many other compact hybrid bodies on the market. Of course, all of this raw power is useless if your shot is blurry or out of focus, and that is why the autofocus system has received a complete ground-up overhaul powered by advanced deep learning artificial intelligence. The new system expands to an intricate grid of over 500 phase detection autofocus points that blanket the sensor. Driven by the X-Processor 6, the real-time subject detection algorithm is faster and significantly smarter. It does not just lock onto human eyes and faces. It instantly identifies, tracks, and anticipates the movements of animals, birds, high-speed vehicles, trains, and airplanes with pinpoint accuracy. To complement this advanced tracking, the mechanical engineering team has completely redesigned the in-body image stabilization mechanism. The X-T6 is slated to deliver up to an incredible 8 stops of stabilization. This means you can confidently leave your heavy tripods and bulky gimbals behind. You will be able to shoot handheld macro photos, capture smooth cinematic panning shots, and execute long-exposure street photography at night with slow shutter speeds, relying entirely on the internal sensor shift technology to keep your imagery perfectly stable and sharp. However, it is not just the internals that are changing. A massive design update is completely dividing the global photography community right now. The leaked retailer listings from Vietnam confirm that Fujifilm is abandoning the traditional 3-tilt LCD design of the X-T5 in favor of a fully articulating 360-degree flip-out touchscreen. The resolution of this 3-inch screen is also getting an upgrade, jumping up to a crisp 1.84 million dots. This structural change has sparked an intense debate online. Pure, old-school street and landscape photographers often prefer the discrete, on-axis tilting screen because it keeps them perfectly aligned with their subject. To support this heavy workflow, the external physical shell is receiving key upgrades to match its premium status. The physical body retains those iconic tactile manual dials for shutter speed, ISO, and exposure compensation that purists absolutely love, but with enhanced weather sealing that allows the camera to operate flawlessly in freezing temperatures down to -10 degrees Celsius and heavy downpours. The high-resolution electronic viewfinder is also receiving a massive upgrade with higher magnification, a faster refresh rate, and virtually zero blackout during high-speed continuous electronic bursts. Let us talk about timing and investment because this is where the strategy becomes crucial. Reliable industry roadmaps and production pipeline logs firmly point to an official launch window of September. Historically, September is the golden month for flagship announcements, and the production numbers indicate that units are already being queued for global distribution. As for pricing, the premium specifications and the addition of the partially stacked sensor place the expected launch price between $2,199 and $23,999 US. While this is a step up from the launch price of the previous generation, when you compare these specifications to full-frame setups that cost well over $3,000 to $4,000 just for the camera body, the X-T6 offers a level of value that is genuinely disruptive. Now that the complete picture is laid out on the table, the choice comes down to your creative needs. If you are on the verge of spending thousands on a new system, waiting for this launch is the smartest move you can make. What are your thoughts on these massive upgrades? Does the jump to internal 8K video, 8 stops of IBIS, and that game-changing 200-megapixel mode make this your next upgrade, or does the new fully articulating flip-out screen break the deal for you? Drop your thoughts, opinions, and gear setups in the comments below. Let us get the discussion going, and thank you for tuning in to Tap Tech.